Hello and welcome to another episode of the Backyard Bushcrafters. Alright, today we're going to show you how to make a fire with a Zippo fire kit. It is the Fast Fire MBT set. There's many ways to make fires. This is just one of the ways, and this is a quicker way, is what they claim. Comes with like a little bellow and a ferrous rod and some tinder that burns up to 8 minutes. So we're going to get it out and we're going to try and start a fire down here. Now it's important that you gather dry small tinder to build off of this, and you never just want to throw a big log like what's right there on the fire because it'll go out. You start with little stuff, little brush, little sticks, and build your way up. Alright, we just wanted to show you the little pine and wax soaked, I guess, fire bundle tinder. We're going to throw it down there, we're going to get the rod and spark it and see what happens. Alright, well, we'll loosen it up a little bit, because clearly it didn't want to light. All we did was fray it a little bit and see if that's going to help. It's got paint on this thing, so well, that's uneventful. It's expecting better from this Zippo kit. Wow. Alright, so this thing comes coated with a lot of paint on it, so hopefully we got some of it off. Hopefully now we're down to the actual sparking or metal, whatever the hell's on there. I don't know, maybe we're just not close enough. Maybe it's not frayed out enough.
I saw a spark that ignited an ash.
Yeah. It's acting silly.
I actually see fire coming out of it, but it's not catching that thing.
Wow. It's a lot harder than you think. You want to try it? Okay.
Like that?
Yeah. I see flame.
That's what I was telling you.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a lot harder than it looks.
And it's like looking at the sun.
Yeah, it's extremely hard to light.
Oh, see? It ignited. Oh, look.
What?
It ignited that one piece of it.
I see smoke.
What is that? I seen it crawling.
getting attacked by spiders. This is why you need a fire in the wilderness. It's cold out. It's in the 60s. Fire is essential. I look out there, I hear stuff. Want to switch again?
I'm about to just say F it and use the click lighter.
No cheating. Just gotta show the reality of trying to get a fire to start.
Oh, it's like it doesn't even have anything to grab onto anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, wait.
Oh, almost. There it is. There it is. Oh. There it is. Oh, there it is. There it is. We have fire. Good job. See why it's always good to have multiple people. They're in a survival situation. Somebody gets tired, you can switch off. All right, let's just let that build. It comes with a little bellow, but I guess we don't need to use it. Maybe we should have been using it in hindsight when we were trying to spark it, but who knows? It worked.
I already feel the warmth. It's actually 55 degrees out right now.
Wow. A little colder than anticipated. It is getting warmer, huh?
Yeah.
All right, well, as you can see, the fire started. It works. It could just be our inexperience in using it, or it just needed to get the paint scraped off of it. Whatever it was, it worked. You can get fire going from it, so the product says that it starts fires, it starts fires. But it's always essential to have different fire making skills, and we'll be showing that on future episodes. This is just one way to start a fire. And all we're doing is just adding small pieces of sticks to it, letting it catch. Okay, we've got a hot enough coal going. Now we're gonna use the bellows kit that came with it, which is the little metal straw, and we'll see what we can do. The straw is pretty long, stainless steel, everything lights up, so it's definitely an essential part of the kit to get everything going. All right, the missus is gonna cook up some chopped up kielbasa, right? The Polish sausage?
Yeah.
On some skewers, so.
I got two hands.
Yep. But it'll just be like cooking out there in the wilderness with some sticks, except we got some metal skewers.
Yeah, I didn't want marshmallows.
So we'll see, and this is how you get the fire going and enjoy the night and make sure you can get some food in your belly.
Ooh, it's hot.
Be careful. Alright, it's a hot sausage about to come off the grill.
I hear it cooking and feel it. There you go, I think that's done.
Alright. And I know it's hard to see on camera in the dark, but it looks juicy and it's good. Alright, we had a delicious snack, and as you can see, the fire is raging. It is nice and warm over here now. So that about concludes it for this fire video. Again, it's one of many ways you can start it. The kit did do well with the added steps that we did, like fraying it apart and getting that paint off of it. So just keep that keep that in mind if you buy one. Anything to add? All right, until next time, thanks for watching.